So how to avoid a pothole or a manhole cover. When you're trying to go over a pothole, you should never go over it with the front of the bike. What's gonna happen is when you start riding it through, you're gonna see it catch right here with the rear tire. That's what happens when you go over it with the front of the bumper of the Ryker. You're always gonna hit it in the rear. So in the class, they always tell you to point the knee to whatever you're trying to avoid. It's exactly how they say to do it. But if it's easier to remember, always try to remember, you know, to try to get whatever it is you're gonna pass through this side here. You know, the side of the Ryker, from the fender to the bumper. There's an opening there, and you see the power is here now. And you'll see it when I try to run it over. When I'm gonna go over it now, if I stay in between those lines right there and I try to go over it, I'm gonna pass, and it's gonna pass the rear tire. Keep that in mind. Between the fender and the front bumper, you're gonna go over the pothole, the manhole, and it's not gonna catch your rear tire. If you're practicing now at home without your endorsement, you know, try to keep that in mind. How to avoid it by the front tire and the front bumper, and you can miss the rear tire. That should be something you learn before you even go to the class. Just always keep in mind that whatever I do on here is only for entertainment purposes. But if there's anything about this video that you did like, please like, comment, and subscribe. That subscribe button down there, hit it. It's free to join my channel.